Welcome to the top best. The best Purfling Cutter is probably one of the most essential tools for any luthier or woodworker looking to achieve precise and clean purfling channels in their instruments, ensuring both aesthetic appeal and structural integrity. This specialized tool allows for consistent depth and width, which is crucial for the delicate inlay work that defines the beauty and sound of violins, guitars, and other stringed instruments, making it an indispensable part of the crafting process for professionals and serious hobbyists alike. Number 5. Fullstar Original Pro Chopper. Meet the Original Pro Chopper, TikTok's favorite veggie slicer and a top-rated kitchen gadget. It's simple to use, set up, and clean, saving you time and energy during meal prep. Perfect for those who want to eat healthier but are short on time. You can dice potatoes, tomatoes, cucumbers, carrots, and more with its heavy-duty, rust-resistant stainless steel blades. This chopper is built for comfort and precision. The soft grip handle offers better control, while the non-skid base keeps it stable on any surface. Its built-in catch tray also keeps your counters clean. Done prepping? Just toss it on the top rack of your dishwasher, no scrubbing required. It's a clever and convenient choice for any occasion. Whether you're a novice or a seasoned pro, this food chopper makes meal prep fast, safe, and fun. It's ideal for various meal types and is one of the best gift ideas for anyone who loves time-saving kitchen gadgets. From family dinners to holiday feasts, prep has never been easier with this essential kitchen tool. It helps you cook smarter, faster, and easier. What we like. This is the ultimate time saver for busy kitchens. Its large capacity and rust-resistant blades make quick work of chopping vegetables for any meal. If you're looking for a way to eat healthier without spending hours prepping, this is the tool for you. What people say. The blade is sharp and cuts cleanly. It is easy to adjust the depth of the cut. The guide fence is sturdy and holds the blade steady. Number 4. Yinfente Violin Viola Purfling Tool Set. Crafted from high-quality brass, this tool is built to last. Its rust and deformation resistance makes it perfect for all your violin purfling needs. Experience unparalleled accuracy with its finely ground, sharp blade. It carves grooves smoothly, preventing wood splitting and enhancing your craftsmanship. Designed with an ergonomic grip for comfort, it's suitable for both experienced luthiers and beginners. Achieve efficient operation with ease. Its exquisitely polished surface not only looks sleek but also feels great in your hand. This tool beautifully combines functionality with aesthetic appeal. This cost-effective set includes a purfling groove carver and a cleaner. It covers all essential purfling steps, offering great value compared to buying tools separately. What we like. Craftsmanship meets precision with this tool designed for musical instrument makers. Its premium brass construction and sharp blade ensure accurate groove carving for beautiful purfling. If you are a luthier or a beginner looking for reliable tools for violin making, this offers excellent value. What people say. The blade is sharp and cuts cleanly. It is easy to adjust the depth of the cut. The guide fence is sturdy and holds the blade steady. Number 3. Makita PC01R312 VMAX CXT Cordless Multi-Cutter Kit. Introducing the Makita 12V Max CXT Cordless Multi-Cutter Kit. This powerful tool is designed to handle a variety of materials with ease. It effortlessly cuts through single-wall corrugated cardboard, cardboard up to 1/4 thick, thin leather, rubber up to 1/8 thick, and plastics up to 1/16. Experience maximum cutting efficiency thanks to its self-sharpening blade. It stays sharp, ensuring a clean cut every time. Achieve precise cuts with the built-in sight line. This feature helps you follow your intended cutting path accurately. Weighing only 1.6 pounds, with the battery, it significantly reduces operator fatigue. Its compact and ergonomic design, at just 10 to 3/4 long, makes it comfortable to use for extended periods. What we like. Experience cutting freedom with this cordless multi-cutter. Its self-sharpening blade and lightweight design make it ideal for a variety of materials. If you need a portable and efficient tool for cutting cardboard, carpet, leather, or thin plastics without being tethered to an outlet, this is a great choice. What people say. This purfling cutter is a game changer for luthiers, allowing for precise and consistent purfling channels. The adjustable depth setting ensures that the purfling groove is cut to the perfect depth every time, preventing damage to the instrument. Its ergonomic design makes it comfortable to hold and maneuver, even during extended use, reducing hand fatigue. Number 2. GARTOL Multi-Angle Miter Shear Cutter. Skip the heavy chop saw. This hand tool is your go-to for quickly cutting quarter round, shoe molding, PVC, and wood trim. It's perfect for flooring, woodworking, and DIY crafts. Need a perfect corner? The built-in scale and adjustable fence allow you to make clean, accurate miter cuts in seconds. It eliminates guesswork for seamless joints. Ready for heavy-duty use, its razor-sharp steel blades are exceptionally durable and rust-resistant. Plus, 10 replacement blades are included, saving you money and ensuring a sharp edge. It's designed to slice cleanly through soft woods, PVC tubing, and plastic molding without crushing the material. It's not recommended for metal or thick, hard woods. Work longer with less fatigue thanks to the non-slip rubber handle providing a comfortable grip. A sturdy safety lock keeps the sharp blade securely closed when stored. What we like. Achieve perfect corners with this versatile multi-angle cutter. It's designed for precise cuts on trim, molding, and crafting materials. If you're working on home renovation projects, flooring installations, or DIY crafts and need clean, accurate miter cuts without a power saw, this tool is essential. What people say. This purfling cutter is a game changer for luthiers, allowing for precise and consistent purfling channels. The adjustable depth setting ensures that the purfling groove is cut to the exact specification needed for a perfect fit. Its ergonomic design makes it comfortable to hold and maneuver, reducing fatigue during extended use. Number 1. Jiayouy Violin Purfling Inlay Groove Carver. Introducing a specialized tool designed for violin making. This instrument ensures precision in every cut. Crafted with a polished brass body, it offers both exquisite aesthetics and long-lasting durability for your luthier needs. Equipped with a sharpened blade, this tool guarantees precision performance, essential for intricate work. It features a clever hidden compartment accessible by removing the bottom screw, where the blade and fasteners are stored. Easily adjust the width from the blade to the body, offering a range from 1 mm to approximately 22 mm for versatile inlay work. This is the perfect tool for crafting the purfling inlay on violins and violas, ensuring professional results. What we like. This tool offers unparalleled customization for purfling inlay. The adjustable width feature allows for precise control over your groove carving. If you are a violin maker who values fine detail and the ability to freely adjust your cutting width for intricate designs, this tool provides the precision you need. What people say. This is a very well-made tool, with a sturdy metal body and sharp blades. The adjustable depth setting allows for precise cuts, and the ergonomic handle makes it comfortable to use. It comes with a variety of blade sizes, making it versatile for different purfling widths. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.